Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can crop an image inside of InDesign, okay? And now this is going to be useful because sometimes you use import or place an image and then you want to crop it or you want to adjust the size later, okay? So the first step is actually going to place an image as we saw in previous tutorials. Let's go to File, let's click on Place, let's click on our image. Now we're just going to click and drag to a point that we like this one, for example, okay? Cool. Now, let's say that this image is now too big for us and we just want to crop it. What are we going to do? We're going to select the selection tool, which we can do by clicking here or by pressing on V, okay? And now what I can do is I can drag these handles here to my desired size. So let's say that I want to keep it, I don't know, maybe like so, and maybe, like so, much more small, okay? Much more smaller. What happens now is that my image is not very center, right? So what I can do is I can just press on these circles and this, gray and bigger circle, and I can move my image, my tick in this case, across the image until it's perfectly centered. Okay. Let's say also that I crop this image to the size, and now, as you can see, part of the tick has actually disappeared. So I can do the exact same thing. Okay, I can just click on this circle, like hold it, and drag this tick until I'm happy with my position. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.